Welcome to part 2 of creating an NFT using OpenSea. If you have not yet watched part 1, please do so. You can find the link in the description below. Let's begin the steps for creating an NFT. Before creating your NFT, or even to set up an NFT account, you must first have a crypto wallet. To learn more about crypto wallets, review the OpenSea tutorial on wallets. A link is provided in the description below. You will also need an OpenSea account. For a free OpenSea account, go to the OpenSea website at opensea.io. Make sure that you have secured a crypto wallet before attempting to sign up for an account. Next, you will need to create a collection. Once the collection is created, you can create an NFT item to add to the newly created collection. Note that the steps for creating both the collection and item are also outlined in the accompanying article. See the link below. Creating the collection. Logged into the OpenSea.io website, click on your profile icon. Navigate down to My Collections and select. If this is your first time creating a collection, the page will be blank. Once you create a collection, it will be listed on this page. Click Create a Collection. This is what the page will look like once you have clicked Create. Upload the following. Logo image. This image will be used for navigation. Featured image. This image will be used for featuring your collection on the homepage, category pages, or other promotional areas of OpenSea. Banner image. This image will appear at the top of your collection page. Enter your collection's name, customized OpenSea URL, and collection's description. Enter your collection's category and tag information. This information can make your NFTs more discoverable on OpenSea. You can choose up to 5 descriptive tags. Your category and tags will be visible on OpenSea collection and item pages. Add social media connections and links related to your project. Indicate, if desired, creator earnings. Collection owners can collect creator earnings of up to 10% when a user resells an item they created. Simply provide the wallet address for payouts. Blockchain. Select the blockchain where you'd like new items from this collection to be added by default. Payment coin. These coins can be used to buy and sell your items. ETH and WETH are the default coins. Display theme. Select a theme format. Explicit and sensitive content. If the content contains nudity or pornography, you must flag it as explicit and sensitive content. This is mandatory under the OpenSea terms and conditions. For more guidance on explicit and sensitive content, consult the OpenSea documentation. If desired, indicate Show Open Rarity Ranking. This can only be enabled once all artifacts are finalized. Review thoroughly. When you're ready, click Create. The collection is now created and can be viewed on the My Collections page. Tune in for part 3 of this video. We will go through the steps of creating the NFT. See you in the next video.